Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the OEM rear spoiler install on the BRZ. And so this rear spoiler comes factory with some 3M tape and some hardware. And today we're going to be actually avoiding using the hardware. So we are not going to be drilling holes. We're going to be doing it a little less conventionally, but we are going to be removing the hardware and installing this with only 3M tape. So for those of you that are worried about drilling holes in your trunk, this is a viable solution for you. So let's dive into it. So at the factory, Subaru and Toyota have to keep things as realistic as they can, and well, installing a factory part without hardware is probably going to look a little bit sketchy on their end. However, we know just off of our personal experience that 3M tape does a really good job at holding on simple plastic spoilers like this. And so if you're worried about drilling holes in your trunk, today I'm going to show you the solution. Now your spoiler should come with a template that'll show you how to drill the holes if you do want to use the hardware. However, if you don't want to drill the holes and you're a little bit scared by it, the hardware is pretty simple to remove. So all the bolts are in these little channels, and we're just going to basically pull up and out on them. And now we have just removed 1, 2, down here on the end. We can remove those 3, over here, same thing, 4. And so we have 4 of our bolts already out, and all that's left is these ones here because they do not slide into a channel. So we're gonna have to actually remove this plastic, which, believe it or not, is 3M taped fast to the spoiler. So it may seem like you're getting extra support by these bolts, but in reality, it's still 3M tape holding the bolts on. 4 out of the 6 bolts are held in with 3M tape. So you're still relying on a bunch of 3M tape to hold this thing on, even with the bolts in place. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this one as well. Boom. So now we have all the bolts out of our spoiler. We can peel our 3M tape and install it. So our BRZ is actually fairly dirty. Somebody wrote "clean me" on the back window, so that's how dirty it's getting. But we're gonna go ahead and wipe this spoiler down with some isopropyl alcohol. So now we have our spoiler, and what I would suggest doing is line this up exactly where it needs to go. And once you have it there, get some kind of painter's tape and just mark where the spoiler is sitting. So take your tape, get a good spot marked, and now go ahead and tip back the spoiler so that there's a gap in between the spoiler and the paint so that we're not cutting into the paint in our vehicle. And take a razor blade or a knife and trim that tape. Now this is a really dull blade for some reason, so it is cutting a little bit funky, but you get the idea. So now with this, we should be able to line up our spoiler again when we go to sit it back down. So all these front pieces have little tails on them, which is great because that's going to allow us a little bit of movement here, but these pieces don't, so we're going to have to peel these immediately. We are now going to line up our spoiler using these tape pieces that we laid down. So since there's no tape on the front, I'm going to glide the front up to the tape while holding the back up in the air as much as I can. Now I'm going to press the back down. Double check that I have it lined up before I apply any real pressure here. So now we have it lined up. We're gonna go ahead and start to pull our tape. So we're gonna peel this end. We're gonna have to lift up on the spoiler just a little bit to get this to peel. So we're gonna peel that and then lay it back down. Give that some pressure. Come over, do the same thing on the other side. Peel that, give that some pressure. And now what we're left with is the strips on the front, which we can peel the tail all the way down. Grab this one, do the same thing, peel that all the way down, and now we can apply pressure. And trust me, this freaking spoiler isn't going anywhere, even without the bolts. Now we can peel our tape up. And that's it, the install is done. So one thing to keep in mind, guys, that most people don't mention is that 3M tape does have a cure time. So you're only gonna have about 50% strength after this rests for 20 minutes at room temperature. It is not going to be at 90% strength until you have about 24 hours of this resting at room temperature, and it is not going to reach its full strength until 72 hours after the installation. So if you're planning on installing this and you know you have to drive the car today, maybe wait until later in the evening or something when you know the car is going to sit overnight, and that'll give you the best chance of this thing sticking. Well guys, that's it for the factory duckbill install on the BRZ. This thing does look really good. It's subtle, but adds a little bit of an aggressive tone to the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll leave a link for this in the description where you can find yours. We have a paint match version for multiple colors, as well as a flat black version in case your car's wrapped or something like that and you don't want to pay the extra money for the painted version. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.